Vast bamboo plantations stretch across the landscape as modern harvesting machines
The prepared bamboo chips enter large sealed processing vessels where controlled industrial treatment separates valuable cellulose from much of the original woody structure. The bamboo-derived cellulose pulp enters a sophisticated purification department where multiple filtration and potentials. The purified cellulose solution enters a precision fiber forming system where it passes through microscopic spinnerets that create. The newly formed bamboo-derived fibers move through carefully controlled washing stages, where remaining processing materials are removed before entering industrial drying.
The soft bamboo fiber slivers enter advanced drawing machines where multiple strands are combined and stretched to create a smoother and more uniform fiber structure.
The prepared bamboo sliver enters a massive spinning hall where thousands of precision spindles transform the fibers into strong, fine yarn. Freshly woven fabric enters large industrial washing systems, where controlled water and mechanical action remove loose fibers.
Check this section here, near the selvage.
Yes, the camera picked up a slight color variation. We need to log it.